Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss various job openings in different companies. Let's get started. Amazon is hiring for seller support associate, work from home, location Chennai, salary 2.75 to 3.75 lakhs per annum. Job description: seller support associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Basic qualification: bachelor's degree. Number 2. Amazon is hiring for Hindi Data Associate. Location Hyderabad. Freshers can also apply. Salary 2.25 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum. Job description: we are hiring data associates, 1 year contract, in our Hyderabad team to undertake labeling functions such as transcription, annotation, dialogue, evaluation on speech. Basic qualifications: high school or equivalent diploma. Work experience: minimum 24 months of experience. Proficient computer skills in MS Office with good typing speed, 40 words per minute. Only candidates currently available in Hyderabad can eligible. Amazon is hiring for data associates in Tamil, Malayalam, Gujarati languages. 0 to 3 years experience can apply. Location Hyderabad. Salary 2.25 to 2.75 lakhs per annum. Job description: we are hiring for data associates in our Hyderabad team to undertake labeling functions such as transcription, dialogue, evaluation on speech and text to assess and improve the Alexa performances. Basic qualification: high school or equivalent diploma. Work experience: minimum of 24 months of experience in any industry. For more details, check the link in the description. Tech Mahindra is hiring for work from home jobs in Noida location. 0 to 5 years are eligible. Freshers can also eligible. Salary 1.5 to 2.75 lakhs per annum. Location Faridabad, Delhi NCR, Goregaon. Job description: work from home opportunity in Tech Mahindra. Job description: work from home opportunity in Tech Mahindra for premium process in Noida. Profile: customer support associate. Qualification required: any graduate or undergraduate can apply. Experience required: any fresher or experience can apply. Skills required: excellent communication skills plus basic computer knowledge plus basic process knowledge. For more details, check the link in the description. Tech Mahindra is hiring for email process in Pune location. Experience 1 to 3 years. Salary not to be discussed. Job description: Tech Mahindra BPS Pune is hiring for premium telecom domain for backend and email process. Minimum 1 year in email or chat process experience is mandatory. Designation: Customer Service Associate. Qualification: Graduate. Experience required: 1 year in BPO, email or chat process. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 6. Immediate opening for laptop and desktop troubleshooting in Chandigarh. 2 company. 0 to 4 years can apply. Job location: Mohali, Chandigarh, Panchkula. Job description: immediate opening for laptop and desktop troubleshooting in Chandigarh location. Criteria: any graduate or undergraduate with minimum 1 year experience in technical based voice process can apply. Should be ready to work in rotational shifts. Salary 2.25 lakhs per annum. For experience 4 lakhs per annum. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 7. 24 into 7 AI is hiring for international voice and non-voice process. Experience 0 to 4 years of experience and freshers can also apply. Location: Bangalore. Salary 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs per annum. Minimum qualification: candidate should have completed 12th or diploma or graduate and above are eligible to apply. Freshers and candidates with prior relevant BPO and non-relevant other domains experience are eligible to apply. Good communication skills only in English. Master graduate should have at least 1 year experience in BPO sector. For freshers, 13,000 to 21,000 take home salary and incentives. For more details, check the link in the description. Thank you.